Sources of homeopathic medicines. Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be exploring an important topic in homeopathy pharmacy, sources of homeopathic medicines. Let's begin our journey into understanding where these natural remedies originate from. Homeopathic medicines are derived from a variety of sources, both natural and synthetic. These sources were first classified by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, the founder of homeopathy. Understanding the origin of each remedy helps us in selecting the most appropriate medicine for our patients. There are 7 major categories of sources. 1. Plant kingdom. 2. Animal kingdom. 3. Mineral kingdom. 4. Nosodes. 5. Sarcodes. 6. Imponderabilia. 7. Synthetic substances. Let's now look at each of them in detail. Plant kingdom. These medicines are extracted from entire plants or specific parts such as roots, bark, leaves, and flowers. They are the most commonly used source in homeopathy and are rich in active compounds. Examples include belladonna, Aconitum napellus and Bryonia alba. Animal kingdom. These remedies are derived from animal substances such as venoms, secretions, and tissues. They often act on the nervous, immune, and circulatory systems. Some examples are Apis mellifica from the honeybee, lachesis from the venom of the bushmaster snake, and sepia from cuttlefish ink. Mineral kingdom. These remedies come from natural minerals, including metals, nonmetals, and salts. They are known for their deep and long-lasting therapeutic action. Examples include Calcarea carbonica from oyster shells, Natrum muriaticum which is common salt, and Arsenicum album made from white arsenic. Nosodes. These are prepared from disease products such as pus, discharges, or pathological tissues. They are used to stimulate the immune system, especially in chronic conditions. Common nosodes include tuberculinum, soranum and medorinum. Sarcodes. These are made from healthy animal organs or secretions and are used to support or regulate the function of corresponding human organs. Examples include thyroidinum from the thyroid gland, adrenalinum from the adrenal gland, and pancreatinum from the pancreas. Imponderabilia. These unique remedies are derived from non-material or energetic sources such as magnetism, electricity, and radiation. They do not have a physical substance, which is why they are called imponderable. Examples include X-ray, Magnetis polus australis, and electricitas. Synthetic substances. These are man-made chemical compounds used in potentized form to elicit therapeutic effects. Examples include carbolic acid, urea. To summarize, the 7 major sources of homeopathic medicines are plant kingdom, animal kingdom, mineral kingdom, nosodes, sarcodes, imponderabilia, and synthetic substances. Each source provides unique healing properties and applications in homeopathy. Understanding the source of a remedy helps us make better choices in treatment. This foundational knowledge also prepares us for our next topic, methods of preparation of homeopathic medicines, which we'll cover in the next session. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to ask now. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next class.